Hi and welcome to Normoy's channel. Today I will teach you how to order or apply for your GCash card. But first click the CC icon in YouTube player below. CC stands for closed caption. It will translate audio into text. On your smartphone tap the GCash app.
Empty streets, but I keep searching for your trace in the dark. Losing myself in the endless memories of the end.
Enter your PIN.
You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kisses burn my skin, I feel so.
Look for the card icon. Tap on the cards. Choose the order a card below and have it delivered. A pop-up will show under Order a Card. Just tap on Send me a card option. This card is non-refundable. It will show your GCash card registered name. If you have two first names, GCash will have you choose what will be printed on your GCash card. Tap the next button. This area here is where your name will show on your card. GCash card will cost you 250 pesos. Tap Confirm button. This is the delivery information that you will need to fill out. Recipient's name, this is who will receive the card. Mobile number, this is where they will contact you regarding delivery. Delivery address, your province, city or municipality, barangay, zip code, house number and street address, and lastly the landmark. We will fill out this form. It is better to fill out everything even if it is optional. Once you are done, tap the next button. This blurred part is just the summary of what you fill out a while ago. For the fee, the card's worth is 185 pesos and the delivery fee worth 65 pesos, a total of 250 pesos. It then states that you understand that the foregoing fees are not refundable. By ordering a GCash card, you agree to be bound by the terms and conditions for the use of the GCash card as set out in the GCash app terms and Card Protect terms. You will then check the box and then tap the Confirm button. Just tap OK and tap again the Confirm button. GCash will inform you that you are about to pay 250 pesos using your cash money on your account. Tap the Pay 250 pesos. $250 pesos will be deducted to your GCash account. Tap the Proceed button. It will then states that order is successful. Your card will be delivered soon. Please see the expected delivery times below. For NCR, 4 to 6 business days. For Luzon, 6 to 8 business days. For Vismin, 8 to 10 business days. Tap the OK button. For me, it took 2 days for GCash to send me a message after ordering my GCash card. From GCash message states that your order with the reference number is being processed. Expect delivery of your card within 4 to 10 working days and present at least one valid government ID and reference number. Should your card be received by a representative, please present an authorization letter, government ID, and reference number. After several days, your courier will send you a message. You may need to reply so that your GCash card will be delivered to you in no time. The courier will ask you to fill this GCash card form. If you will be the one to personally receive your GCash card, you will only just check the card holder box. The date, the type of government ID you are using together with the ID number, and lastly your signature over printed name. Let's open the package. And that's it. You now have your GCash card. Thank you for watching.